What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm making my way to the river here, and the river was high. It was starting to come down, but now we just got a whole bunch more rain and the river is back up, raging more than ever. But we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna toss around some bottom baits. Hopefully we can get on some smallies, but let's get fishing. Well, good evening, guys. We are back out here at the river. It's starting to clear up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. I apologize for the lawnmower running back there. But yeah, we have one rod, one lure. It's gonna be, said, prototype. It's a Winnow by Nico. I just can't show you the color, but I'll leave links in the description where you can check out other available colors right now. Yeah, let's see if we can get on some fish with this. For backup, I do have a little baby goat with a bullet weight we can use for something on the bottom if we can't get bit on this. But I'm thinking we should be able to get a few bites with this. So these Winnows have really good action. Oh my gosh. I just stepped on a freaking snake. That scared the crap out of me. Well, I'm not going down there. That's for sure. Looked like a black snake. I just saw it right in the corner of my eye as I stepped on it and squirmed away. That'll get your heart pumping. Oh, right there at the boat. And that was one of those casts where it's like, I don't know if I should make this. Oh no. There we go. There we go. Little guy actually came out of that grass patch right there, right at the boat. Jeez, that was something. All right, thanks for biting, bud. Hopefully as the water keeps dropping too, I can get my spinner bait back up here. Actually had a subscriber send them to me, and he told me the guy that makes them no longer makes them. I don't even know what I got caught on either. Somewhere right in that area, right there. I don't see it. So we'll have to just keep looking throughout the next couple days. Trying to reel this fast enough just to keep it above the grass. There we go, there's a fish. Little guy. There we go, number 2. Well, at least we're having better results than we were the last few outings. Now we're actually hooking them. There we go, there's a fish. First cast. See, even a guy fishing behind me too at the launch. There's people here. I came earlier, there was people swimming. I wasn't sure if the spot replenished or not. Looks like it may have. There we go, like I said, first cast. It's a decent one. It's got a bloody tail, it's weird. Maybe a catfish or something tried to grab him. Dude just hooked into a nice one back there. All right, for the rest of the evening, I cut off that paddle tail. I kept getting a bunch of grass caught on it. So I'm gonna go with this little baby goat. This is white, and I have a 1/4 ounce tungsten bullet weight on there. we go. There's a fish. Get out of the grass. And I don't want your size. I want your mom's size. There we go. Another one. Just like one in that 2 to 3 pound range. Yeah, it could still happen. We still have time. It's not dark yet. There we go. There we go. It's not a bad one. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for right there. Thanks for biting, bud. Just in time, too. And the way I'm retrieving this, too, is I'm just slowly dragging it on the bottom, letting them little flippers kick. It's actually coming through the grass quite well, too. As I was doing my intro and walking down here, I actually saw a couple fish blowing up. I'm gonna start with this little baby goat. Drag it across the bottom, a couple casts, see what happens. There we go, there's a fish, finally. Not a monster, but hey, at least we're catching fish. There we go. Look how pale this guy is. There we go, number 1 for the day. A leaf on his eye there. Like I said, the bite is tough, but whenever conditions are like this, the bass are definitely pushed up shallow. It's just a matter of getting your lure in front of them and triggering them to bite it. We got something there. Nice smallie. There we go. That's what we're after. Dude, he ate it while it was falling. Nice. That's what we're after right there. There we go. He's bleeding a little bit because I got him in the tongue, but let's let him go. Nice. Yeah, that guy clobbered it whenever it was falling. I honestly thought it was a catfish at first. All right, now we're getting somewhere. There's 2 in like 15 minutes right here. I felt like I kept getting hit by something. I just kept casting in there. There he was. There we go. There's a little one. Oh, there was a little one. All right, well, we didn't have too much luck down there at the boat ramp, so I figure I'll make my rounds back up through here. Oh, just got slapped right there. Didn't get a hook in him. That was definitely a bite. I hate when they do that because you never know if it was like a bluegill or just a small one. I definitely got hit right there. There we go. I don't know if it's the one that hit me. Probably was. It's a little one. There we go. It probably is that little guy that slapped me. Like I said, sunfish do that a lot too. All right. We're gonna try back up here where we caught those other two earlier. There we go. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Sweet. It's a little bit bigger. Freaking mosquitoes. There we go. The shoulders on that guy. That was a high fish right there. Thanks for biting, bud. And again, the setup I'm using here, this is a 3/16 tungsten bullet weight or worm weight. I got a 3/0 hook. I got the baby goat on there, white. Fishing this on a bull bay rods. This is the Banshee, medium heavy extra fast, SLX DC reel. And I got 12-pound Sunline. Another one, little guy. Same spot where that one was. There we go. This guy just wouldn't give up. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I mean, as you see, the conditions are rough. If you use the right lures, you can still get on some. So in the next couple days, the river should start dropping, but we're gonna keep on fishing. See how many more we can hook into. Well, thank you for clicking this video. I hope you learned something from it that you can take out with you on your next adventure. But I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing, stay anchored.